Yo, bro. Actually, I can't recall the name, but you asked a question in my forum how to install printer software in your PC. Well, I'm here to respond to your question. And of course, this is not only for you again, but it's matter of tutorial for everyone. And I think there must be somebody who might in need of this one. You might have your PC, your printer, and you don't have the CD card, the CD plate with you again to install on your PC. Maybe your CD plate got stolen or got misplaced, and you want to install your printer on your PC. This also is here to help you, right? Before we go further, I want you to take two things into consideration when you want to install a printer software on your PC. The first thing you need to know here is you need to know the model and brand name of your printer, right? If you are using HP Laser or you are using HP DeskJet, and also there are the number HP DeskJet 2130 or 123, so on and so forth, right? Like for instance, you can see as for what I'm using here is HP DeskJet 2130. And if you look at the image here, you can see it's the same for HP DeskJet 2130. So you need to know the brand and also what the number, the model number of what your printer. Okay. The second thing you need to know here is you need to know the operating system of your PC. You need to know the operating system, whether it's 64-bit operating system or whether it's 32-bit operating system. You need to know what the operating system of what your PC. And if you don't know how to look for your operating system of PC, you just have to look for your control panel here. And when you open your control panel, go to where is it? System. Come to system. When you come to system, you can see system type is 64-bit operating system by 64-base processor. For yeah, of course, you can know the detail of your PC. This is Intel Core TM-i5, right? So this is how you to know your operating system of what your PC, and also to know the Windows. This is Windows 10. Okay. So without wasting time, let's get into how to install printer software on your PC. Okay. What you have to do, just open up your browser. Now let's go to new tab and type hp.com. You type hp.com and wait for it to load. Right? When you type hp.com, this is what the website. Scroll down. Of course, there are two ways to see. Sometimes when you browse, depending on the type of browser you use or whatsoever, you might see drive and auto. Here you have to look for drives. So you click on support here. When you click on support, you can see where we say download drives. So you have to click on download drives here. So you wait for it to load. And when you click on download drive, you have to select what you want. And of course, we need printer. By auto detection, the website will detect your region. And of course, this is Africa region. So you see it automatically detect. So we click on printer here. And when you click on printer, you are asked to enter your product name. Okay, so that is the reason why it's very, very important for you to know the type of printer you are using. Okay, here I'm using HP DeskJet. DeskJet 2130. Okay, now we search. You see, when you search, this is what we come. So we have to click on HP DeskJet 2130 all-in-one printer series. So let's click on this and see what we have. You see, now auto detection is here, right? The website will detect your operating system immediately. So detected operating system is Windows 10, 64 bits. You can choose another operating system if you want to. If you can see, you can click here to choose the operating system you want. You see, if it's a Windows, you If you are operating with Linux, if you are operating with Macs, then it's up to you. But I'm operating with what? Windows. And of course, the operating system is also here. We have Windows 10 32-bit operating system, Windows 10 64-bit, 32, something like that. Windows 8. But as for me, I'm operating with what? Windows 10, a 64-bit operating system. So we leave it to be like that. Okay. So all you have to do now is scroll and come to. Okay, here is it. Now, installation software and full base drive support printer and scan functionable only. We have what is this? Why is this coming up? I don't know why is this coming up. Close. Let's close this one. So we have HP DeskJet 2130 series printer and scan drive and accessories. Where we have here HP Easy Setup printer setup software. So we are going to go with what the first one here because it have everything. It can scan, it have everything you need. So all you have to do, you just have to click on what the download here. So when you click on the download, you can wait and you will see your download will automatically what? Start. Right? Your download will automatically start. You see that it's now downloading, but I'm not going to take that because I don't want any words. I don't want any software. It's because of your question you asked. That is the reason I'm here to help. So I'm not in need of this. I'm going to cancel it. Okay. So far, I guess you now know how to install the printer software on your PC. Okay. And when this is being download, it will be found on the download folder on your PC. All you have to do is go there, click and install,